typical answering service, press 1 for Fred, press 2 for Mary. Tended to not get a lot of the messages that were left because of that. I got a little frustrated one day and started looking around and thought there's got to be a better way, and that's when I came across Upfirst. So I'm Bob Latham. I'm one of the managing partners of IBG Business. We are merger and acquisitions advisors in the middle market. We're a national firm, so we had been using just kind of very typical, like Grasshopper, I think is what we used. I hated dealing with them every time I had a problem or needed to adjust something. It seemed kind of difficult, and their prices kind of kept creeping up. So I thought I would look around again. That's when I came across Upfirst, among 2 or 3 others, and I tried looking at some of the others. Everything was, here's how you set it up. Here's how you program it. And I'm like, I don't want a job as a programmer. I just played around with the demo on Upfirst. I thought, well, that seems pretty easy. Probably didn't spend 30 minutes max getting it set up. I gave it a link to our website. I gave it a link to our team page, so it had everyone's name, email, and phone number. And I uploaded a list from what we call our deal book that has all of our ongoing clients. So if someone calls in, the answering service will know what deal they're talking about.
Sure. Can connect you now to Bob Latham. Please hold one moment while I transfer your call.
It's been forwarding them directly to that person, and it's fast enough that we're able to catch the phone call. So that's been much better hit rate in terms of taking a live call. So that I think has been good. I think the way that it just adapts to whatever people throw at it is the best thing. It's reduced the number of calls that are spam messages that are being left. So that's been helpful. And as I mentioned before, the number of calls that are actually getting transferred to me while the person's still on the line has improved very noticeably. So overall, I think it's been a success, and the rate has been very good.